Snack plate. I'm starving and I'm just gonna shut up and eat. It peed. Oh my God. Look at how monstrous this one is. Oh no, I'm almost out. I've done it with the sour cream and the buffalo sauce, but not with the mustard at the same time. More mustard on there this time. I don't know, it's just so good. Okay, let's dig into these pickles that I thought were rotten, but they actually just tasted disgusting with the brie. They're so good. Me and Piper were beating them up last night. Phenomenal. It's just a dill pickle. All right. Cabbage roll. I am so disappointed that I haven't been eating these my whole life. So fucking good. I think I'm gonna start posting full videos on YouTube. Which my YouTube is, I'm salty, get over it. Okay, turkey pepperoni. Turkey pepperoni is superior to regular pepperoni. Unpopular opinion. Hard salami. I love it when I get one of these out of the bag. I am not putting my cheese and my meat together because I don't want to. I prefer shit separate, man. Munster cheese. Actually, I know I just said that, but I kind of want a tomato with it. Campari tomatoes are also amazing. Gouda. Fresh mozzarella. I can't believe I just said that. Now I'm doing this. Whatever. Water chestnuts. Baby corn. Listen, I'm always losing nails. I'm rough and tough. That's the way it goes. Castelvetrano olives. With a pepper drop? Listen, I'm always willing to try shit together, but I most of the time like it separate. Cute. Fucking amazing. Great combination. What? Regular, like, Italian loaf, sliced deli bread, whatever, with a garlic butter spread. I'm very aware that I could have put all this shit together, and it probably would have been delicious, but I didn't want to. This would be good with the salami on it. Sweet potatoes. I don't think I've met anybody that hasn't liked the sour cream yet. Lots of people saying they don't like the mustard, but I don't think anyone has said no sour cream. Roxy's trying to bust down the door. Oh, yeah, man. Regular sweet potato, sour cream. It's so good. I swallowed too hard. I haven't done that in a while. Ooh. Okay. It's so creamy. All right, I can still feel it all everywhere, man. In my esophagus and all the way down. For the sweet shit, sun-dried apricots. Piper's just as obsessed as I am with these. They're good. I like them better than regular apricots, so I'm pissed that I didn't save those for after these ones. Oh well. Regular apricots. All right. Sour apple coated date. Mmm. That's so sour. Ooh. With sour apple. That's exactly what it tastes like. And last, but certainly not least, Nana lemon cookie. Nona something. I don't know, but it looks amazing. Did I say if you want to know what everything is, go to the video before this? Because I don't think I fucking did I? Mmm. The cookie itself, it almost is like there's powdered sugar all over in it. I don't know. Mmm. It's so good. It honestly has a very, very faint lemon taste. Not crazy overpowering. It's good though. I'm so happy. I am like a new woman now. I can continue with life. Carry on. Have a happy Friday. Yum!